In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconnect a disconnected social account in Hootsuite. If one of your profiles suddenly stops publishing or shows a warning in your dashboard, it often means the connection token expired after a password change, a security update, or a platform policy refresh. The fix is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, log in to Hootsuite using your usual credentials. You can do this on a desktop browser or the Hootsuite app. The process is the same. If you manage multiple brands or pages, make sure you're signed in to the correct Hootsuite organization so you see the right set of social profiles. Next, head to your social accounts or account settings. Depending on your layout, you'll either find a social accounts option in the left menu, or you can click your profile icon and open account settings or manage accounts and teams. Both paths take you to the place where all your connected profiles are listed. Now locate the profile that's showing as disconnected. Hootsuite flags these clearly, usually with a red or gray indicator, and a label like disconnected or needs attention. If you manage a lot of profiles, scan the list or use any available filters to spot the one that needs work. When you've found it, click Reconnect beside that account. This starts the authorization flow and launches a secure window to the social network you're reconnecting. Sign in to the social network again. You'll be prompted for the username and password for that platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or another supported network. If the profile is tied to a page or business account, make sure you sign in with the account that actually owns or administers that page. Complete any two-factor authentication if you're asked. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. After you sign in, allow Hootsuite access. You'll see a permission screen from the social network asking you to authorize Hootsuite. Review the permissions and click Allow or Authorize to proceed. It's important not to disable essential permissions, or the connection may fail or reconnect only partially. Back in Hootsuite, wait a moment for the confirmation. The status beside the profile should change to connected, and any warning banners should disappear. If you don't see the update immediately, refresh the page and check again, and that's it. You logged in, opened social accounts or settings, found the disconnected profile, clicked Reconnect, signed into the social network, allowed access, and confirmed the connection is live again. You're ready to continue scheduling and monitoring without interruptions.